All right, let's go. Let's go, man. See what we got here. Sells below, buys above. Come on. And look at that. Pushing up. Go check on Goldie. All right, so daily pushing up on gold. Could be just making a top wick to go back down since we did get a closure below. We did get a closure below on the daily. So you've got that closure below there. Four-hour pushing up. Could run into, yeah, some resistance, kind of where I have marked out. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll let the price tell us. See what happens. Got a 1 hour and a 30-minute closure here in about 6 minutes. We'll go from there. We'll go from there, man. We also have news today. So don't forget, it's CPI day. So we got some pretty big folders here. At 7:30, got the red folder for CPI. And then at 9 a.m., the Fed chairman is going to testify. So that could bring in some volume around 9 as well. So now we wait. Now we wait. Yeah, and NQ is just kind of running up. Technically, you did get a 30-minute breakout. but I don't know. Not really anything I'm interested in. This could run. I mean, the 4-hour looks good to push up. Made that bottom wick, so it could run all the way up to that range. But yeah, not really interested in the breakout. That daily chop fest. Jeez. Insane. Also, we passed our combines, so we took a payout on this XFA, and then we passed all of our combines, so now we got 5 XFAs. 5 150s. So hopefully we can copy trade those to some nice payouts. Would be lovely. All right, 30-minute, 1-hour closure here in 2 minutes. See what we got going on gold here. Could get a closure above. This cannot go too far in the range, though. Also, I'll have to see if I'm interested in this anyways. I just, you know, breakouts in me don't work sometimes. So, we'll see. But you might get it here in a minute. We'll see. Today's also going to be a shorter stream. I have to leave here. We'll probably end this at like right after 8:30. See the volume come in and call it. All right, so you technically got a closure above, at least on the 30-minute, not on the 15. So it kind of looks like no top wick, really. Yo, what up, Sia? Good morning, man. Yeah, we passed the combine, so we got 5 150s. We got 5 150s. So we took a payout on this one, and then we've got these all at 0 now, so work on those. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Oh, woo. Oh, man. Yeah, so yesterday we took took this. Where is it? So actually, yeah, we took a sell from like up here. And this candle came down first and made this bottom wick into that zone. That's where we got out, I think, if I remember right. Yeah. That was a banger. That's pretty much, yeah, I think that's where I got it. Because that was a huge trade. Huge. All right. Here's NQ, still close but above. Interesting. Still closed above. Isn't bad. 4-hour breaking the highs. New 1-hour candle. I'm just worried about this coming up, making this wick here, and then coming back down into here, and then maybe it goes back up. Likes to play around on it too much. But I mean, it looks clean. It looks clean with the 4-hour coming up, but I'm gonna stay out. Yo, what's up, Ohio? Good morning. Yeah, I'm gonna stay out of this. Could run. Never know. Oh, are we? Let's go. Come on. Appreciate you guys. Missed out on some wins? Yeah, I bet. Yeah, I bet. See what I mean? Goldie playing. People were trash talking you in game chat in casuals? That's crazy. That's actually nuts. They gotta get a grip. They did exactly what I was worried about. I'd have been in right here. It would have went up and it would have got up here and I'd have been like, oh yeah, it's about to roll, baby. And then zoom. Right back down. Goldie plays too much. Yeah, it just does this all the time. Plus you had a 1-hour like small top wick. Told me I sucked. Dude, how are they talking trash in casuals on Call of Duty? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Alright, well, I'm glad I stayed out of this no matter what, even if it goes. I'm glad. Goldie's wild. It is. My new router should be here today, so Hopefully that fixes any latency issues that I'm having, but we'll see. Goldie's wild. And Q's wild too. Go check in on NQ. Don't forget 7:30 CPI. CPI coming in 7:30, and then the Fed chair 9 a.m. Red folder. Keep that in mind. We will be ending the stream at like slightly past 8:30 though, because on Tuesdays I have something to do. On Tuesdays I got something to do at 9, so can't hang around too long on Tuesday, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where he's at. Man, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, so we kind of used a trend line yesterday. We had this trend line, and that's what allowed me to take some of these sells. And then the buy. I don't think I took that though. But you could have had that wick down into that. 3 p.m. watch party though? Oh, we should be able to. Yeah, the game's at 2 for me. Yeah, I'll be streaming. See ya. Yeah, sorry I missed out on yesterday. I just had some stuff to do. Yep, so we got France and Spain, 2 p.m., man. Do you guys think there's any way that France loses this World Cup? They'd have to, like, shoot themselves in the foot, man. France just looks so good. I don't remember them looking this good when they lost to Argentina in the World Cup last time. I don't know. Maybe they were this good, but I don't know. They look real good now. Oh, has that been announced? That Zidane will? Or are you just hoping? Bro, you guys are, well, Ohio probably doesn't know, but Sia, do you ever know Jurgen Klopp? I think he used to coach like Liverpool or in Germany, maybe. In Germany, maybe. He's in that stupid commercial, man. In that Trivago commercial. He didn't check Trivago. You guys ever seen that? I hate that commercial. That's him. He's gonna be Germany's head coach. I hate that commercial. Yeah. Closure back in the range. Maybe. That's why we don't take those and the breakouts. This happens to me probably 90% of the time on breakouts. So most people will see like, oh, look at that. I got a closure above. I'm taking this ASAP. I got clean range to the left. There's a zone up here I'm aiming for. And it'll do exactly this. It'll wick you in, go up a little bit so you feel like you're about to like go to the moon. And then it'll just run back down. This happens to me probably 90% of the time. That's why I'm not taking a whole lot of these anymore. And the 4 hour was even breaking the highs at this point too. But there's other factors like 1 hour, not a lot of top wick. I mean, it's kind of been running for a while, also a little overextended, you know. Which breakouts? Kind of overextended breakouts. I think there's just a lot of traders out there that just see breakout. You know, they don't take any other factors into consideration. They'll just see it close above no matter what, and like, boom. And I'm definitely guilty of that. Like, I've been doing that for a while. And it's just the more you get smoked by these trades, you start to realize, like, there's some other factors and better just to stay out. If it runs, it runs. But I lose these like 90% of the time. Better to wait for something a little less overextended, even on this 15-minute. Look at that. Man, so Zidane will be France's head coach, huh? When is Deschamps done? He done after this one? So we got a 15-minute closure coming in. I didn't even know that. Yeah, you do have a closure in it, but it's also running halfway through the range almost now. I don't really like this for sells either. Not so much. I need something higher time frame closure, not a 15-minute. I mean, you could get another 15-minute, or maybe get a 30 closure below and either sells, or you get a 30 closure back above, and then you could take something. Oh wait, where's my drawing tool, man? Let me show off these drawing skills. Yeah, you also have news at 7:30. Yep. So I mean, that one you could get like a 30 closure, and then maybe something like this back, above somewhere, whatever. Look at those drawing skills, man. And then maybe you take something. Maybe. Could be something like that. That'd be the break of the 4-hour highs again as well up here. So, but it's also going to be news, so we'll see how this closes. And if the news does, push us up here, it could just, it might not even give us a chance either if it wants to. Look at that celery stick. Guys, I think we're getting better at drawing on here. I think we're getting better. Man, I wish I would have took a screenshot of the calendar of the combines. That was the longest I've been in combines in my life. That was like over 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure on those combines. I've never taken that long. But all that matters is we passed them. And we didn't spend a bunch of money to do it. Didn't blow a bunch of accounts. Buy more. When's the other game? That's tomorrow. England, Argentina tomorrow at 2. Gonna be crazy. Golden boot race still up in the air between Mbappe and Messi. Oh, you'll be in the office tomorrow? Oh, man. That sucks. That does suck. Well, how are we going to watch it? How are we going to watch it, man? I do have some people coming over tomorrow to look at like the roof. So I don't know what time they'll be here, but they can do whatever by themselves. By themselves. They don't need me. Got 10 minutes till news. Should we play a game of chess? Gosh, I don't want to lose, man. I'm tired of losing to these nerds. Tired of losing to these nerds. Interesting. Oh, what? Wait. Oh, I didn't even see that, bro. Well, it's chalked. It's actually chalked. We're actually chalked, gentlemen. It's chalked. We're in trouble. I was yelling no. Well, you didn't yell fast enough. I don't know what to tell you. Yo, what's up, nerd? Yo, what's up? You want some of this? What's good? Oh, it's chalked. It's actually chalked. Yeah, it's over. It's over. It's for sure over. Also, I just run out of time, man. I always run out of time. Guy's taking his sweet time, though. Maybe he'll give up. Maybe not. This is the end. Yo, this guy's cheating, okay? I don't know what to tell you. He's cheating. How do I castle my rook? How do I do that? What's up, nerd? Want some of this? You want some of this? Oh, he's lucky. It's the end. Maybe he'll run out of time. You son of a gun. It's over. It's absolutely over. Get out of here. I'm pretty sure he can win if he just does one thing. No! He had 8 seconds. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out of here. Guy's lucky. Guy's lucky I have no idea what I'm doing. They always move their like rook and their king, and I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. Get me out of here. All right, we got 4 minutes till news. Four minutes. Four minutes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. On NQ. Yeah, so it did still close above on that 30-minute. And then it made that giant wick, but I was not going to be in that. I was not going to be in that. See how gold closes. CPI. All wick, no candle. Sounds like a trading band. Like some powder at the bottom of my coffee. Oh. Switch to Jocko. I'm going to have a Jocko later. I'm going to have a few Jockos. You know, it's crazy the difference, like, whenever I have coffee with nothing in it, you know, like, no sugar, no creamer, nothing. Like, just black coffee. And then when I drink coffee with, like, sugar and stuff in it, I just feel lethargic. How I just crash. But when I don't have sugar, it feels amazing. All right, we got coming up on 30 seconds or so. You could get the same type of thing on like we have on NQ. Maybe a 30 closing like up here. Maybe. Gonna have a mind of its own. All right, 2 seconds. Closing in the range, popped up. Holy skyrocket. Anybody in that? Oh my gosh. That's why you wait for the news, ladies and gentlemen. Or you just be in the trade and see what happens. Holy. Well. Yeah. Okay. Jeez. Wow. What do we got on the numbers here? All red numbers for the dollar on CPI. So usually that means gold will go up. However, it's not always the case. But it is right now. But the thing is, NQ's doing the same thing, even with the dollar having red numbers. So you just really never know. But this would be the area, though. Right there. That would be my area. Oh, yeah, that's a beautiful area. You go down. If it wants to. Oh, look at that. Right off of it. See, those areas mean stuff, man. Right at it. You get good at seeing those zones. But Sometimes you also got to take it quick if you do take stuff like this sometimes, because you could get the rejection down into here and then it shoots, you know, right back up. Sometimes it stays and just like rejects straight off of that and keeps going, but there's a lot of volume, so it'll play around. But yeah, man, right off that. So it went down, came into about here. And then, what's it doing? Gold just still going up. Holy. Man, that CPI had a lot of volume in it. Where's the next zone? Realistically. Maybe up there. Yeah, maybe all the way up there. Well, I think we can delete these. Maybe we can clear these. Holy moly. Yo, that's crazy. Wow. Guess we should have just had some random buy stops. We'd be up loads. We'd be up loads. Yeah, I could see in here or up here. Yeah, that range isn't bad either. That it's at now. Jeez. Yeah, the 4 hour, it's actually not bad there. That's actually not a bad zone. She. Wow, man. To the moon. Nice little rejection. Rejecting off of there. All right, well, that kind of cleared everything out, huh? Kind of cleared it all out. Checking on NQ. Same thing. Holy moly. Ohio, why didn't you tell me to gamble, man, and just put a contract down, man? You know? Why didn't you tell me that was gonna happen? I had one in. Get out of here. Get out of here. This guy. That'd have been what? Yeah, set a buy stop there. $67. That would have been 6,700 on one in like 1 minute candle. 1 minute. Couple minutes. Yeah, that's crazy. That's insane. Don't worry, guys. I had 10 GC contracts on that. I'm up $67,000. Easy. All in a day's work. Yeah, that would have been insane. Couple minutes for a 15-minute closure. Yikes. Yikes. Holy moly. All right, guys, we're up $10 million today. We took CPI in 2 minutes. We made 10 million. Easy. That's what Ohio just did. He's up huge. What's it gonna do? Could it reject off here? This area? Could it? Could it? Just may. Uploads. We're up loads. All right. I'll be right back, chat. All right. Gold's still coming down. Trying to find a place to settle. Trying to find a place. Crazy. Just waiting for something familiar. Got about 3 minutes anyways. 2 minutes. 1 hour closure. 8 o'clock. Ohio's up loads. Coming back down here. A wild looking candle, man. So keep in mind, Nasdaq did have red numbers too on the CPI. See if that matters, or if that was it. All right, we got a 1 hour closure here. Who we got on NQ? I'm in a range of its up there. Close like right at that. So could it come back down? $30-minute close below. Could it come back? Almost might be worth a shot. Almost. Goldie coming back up. Same kind of thing. Might be willing to take a shot at this. I might be willing to take a shot at this.
Order filled.
Yeah, we're gonna take a shot. We'll see, man. Goldie coming down. Yeah, Goldie rejecting nicely here. Nope, I think we're gonna get stopped out. Right idea, wrong pair, huh? That's right. Took a shot. But it may want to come back up. It looked good with it taking or making that wick first. Don't do it.
Order filled.
Order filled. All right, we're out. Took our shot. Gold kind of hanging around. Let's see. Gold kind of doing the same thing. Same old, same old. Oh, it did load. It did load that time. A lot of chop. Were we just early? That's the question. Might have just been a little early. Welcome back, Ohio. Does this still make sense? Gosh, it looks. I know the daily's pushing up, but it's rejecting nicely. Got 3 minutes here for a closure. That 15-minute did close back below as well. So that's why I was anticipating that. I was just a little early. Little early. All right, we got about a minute for a 15-minute closure. Thirty seconds. Did close back in. Is it going to troll around before 8:30 though? That's the question. Is it? Is it? One hour breaking low, 30-minute breaking low at the rejection zone. We'll see. No, I'm not going to wait for a top wick this time. It'll be the 1 hour breaking lows, 30-minute breaking lows. We'll see. I'm willing to take this. Win or lose, man. That's it. This is my shot. If we don't get it, then I'm out anyways. We'll see, man.
Order filled.
Holy slippage. Holy slippage. Flipped us in pretty good. Well, it broke the lows. Now it's coming back up. We'll see. We'll see, man. Oh, I'm going to have my stops up here. So, previous candle high. Turning around. was hoping we get a little bit more there. Don't love this. Don't do it. Don't do it, NQ. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. I'll be right back.
Order filled.
Are we rich? All right. Yeah, I'm done after that. We took our shots. We took our shots today, man. We'll take our licks. All right, chat. I got to get rolling. I appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate you all. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. All right. All right. Peace.